Hi, this is a quick demo of a AI conversational bot implementing using TensorFlow, Keras, and uh, Flask, which is a web application framework in Python. And using Flask, I have exposed one endpoint, which is a post action based endpoint. And using that endpoint, you can post a simple JSON, and that with that JSON, you can provide a sentence. Against that sentence, the bot will try to evaluate a response based on the model we have generated here. So how we would generate the model, that model is being generated using TensorFlow and Keras. And uh, basically in the input to the how to generate a model, we have used a simple JSON in which we define different categories or tag. Under each category we can have different patterns of questions, and we have corresponding responses of various types. So this is a model script file which generates the model using that JSON file and dump it down into pickle file. So this is how we get that generated data and model into a pickle file, which this model pickle file is used by the Python endpoint script, where the endpoint is being exposed through Flask, and which calls this model to actually get the sentence, and using that model try to evaluate that any response corresponding to the sentence provided in the JSON payload. So let me start the application. Okay, it's running here. Let me post. So you can see the intent is greeting, and the probability we are matched to the response is like almost 100%. And I can ask him any other question. What are you doing? So you see I can run it again, or it may sometimes some different response. So and readme file tells you how to set up all the modules, like here a brief description about what's happening in this application and how to install Python and the modules and PyCharm, how to run it, sample with this payloads. So that's about it. I appreciate any feedback. Thank you.